Smile Sunday, dear friends. Today I feel like speaking to you about acne. Actually, I had a patient 3 days back who had severe acne on her face. Her skin was very dry to the extent that it had become, darker than the original color at various places. And this child, 16-year-old girl, was very depressed. Considering and taking her into consideration and helping her out, which has actually helped her out extremely in the last 3 days. Her skin texture has really changed. She's not depressed anymore. She's a smiling child now. So, if I have to tell you in very simple terms that acne is a skin problem, it is a problem of mostly of hormones or digestive disorders. Hormones also, they happen at a certain age. Normally when a child is at puberty, then hormones play havoc on their body and they start developing acne. So the skin, there could be very small acne or there could be large acne which are painful. They could be itching. There could be, the skin would become dry at various places. So, washing your face more often, having a right lifestyle would help. And if a person already has acne, then a liver cleanse, a digestive cleanse is very important. So normally you go to a skin specialist, which is the best way to deal with it. What I do is, since I'm an acupuncturist, I'm a Sujok therapist, I treat people with my way of healing where I look after the digestive system. I understand that the stomach meridian runs all over the body. The small intestine meridian comes on the body. So there's a lot of inflammation on the face. There's a lot of accumulation of fat, which is actually, this fat is left in the body because of wrong eating. When we do not defecate, we do not throw out the toxins from the body. Either we eat more of oily food or we eat foods which we cannot digest and they remain in the body, which come up as acne. So dear friends, what I can do about is help you and suggest that you wash your face more often, live a better lifestyle. There are various intervals of time where we understand that different organs of our body function better. So if we have to sleep, then definitely around 11:30 for sure, and even in today's times, one must go off to sleep. The defecation time, the large intestine energies work best between 5 to 7, and 7 to 9 is the best time to eat. So if we defecate between 5 and 7 and eat during 7 to 9, I'm sure your digestion would be better. Your liver would be able to secrete the right amount of bile and digest what you eat. Okay, now for the genetic reasons. Some children are genetically prone to acne. So, they get into depressions. Now, depression is not the solution. The solution is to find out with my condition, with my genes, what I can do. So, eating right, sleeping on time, washing your face more often, hydrating it with things like aloe vera gel or olive oil would definitely help. If a person has oily skin, in those period of time, please do not oil your hair or add extra oil even externally or eating internally with fried foods and cheese and a lot of animal product, that is animal meat, milk products, cream and sugar. Sugar gives inflammation to the body. So once again, that's a no-no for acne patients. So once again, there should be no constipation. Don't try and fill up your acne with creams which would, suppress the acne there and then. But since the system is not all right, they will appear somewhere else. Some boys, because of more testosterone levels, have a lot of acne in their back also. So that also, just staying clean is also very important. Pollution has always increased skin issues, and if we also live with the sweat and in dirt, then also the acne will increase. So, dear friends, I think this is all for today. Look after your skin, and acne will not happen because of emotional disorders. But yes, if you have acne, they will definitely increase if you are sad. So keep smiling. Have a nice Sunday. Stay safe.